In 2024, the first signs appeared.
Algorithms began weighting hype. Over actual financial filings. Artificial pumps became the norm.
The data was skewed.
Garbage in. Chaos out. Forcing market reality.
Into a biased model.
We trusted the machines. But they were fed a lie. Legacy data is a trap. It remembers the crashes.
And it predicts them again.
Even when the market is new.
The bias ignores the present.
Time is measured in risk. Losing our sense of direction. Systemic cracks begin to show.
Metrics are not neutral.
Logic outweighs value. The hidden tag in the code.
Infiltrating the vault. Empty promises of stability.
Inequality gets a speed boost.
The small investor is hit first. Listen to the algorithm.
It is cutting your profits.
The disappearing alpha. The forest is burning.
A downpour of automation.
The invisible infrastructure.
Fragile connections.
Who is making the move? The king is a machine.
Terms and conditions apply. The bias is written in.
You are not alone in the dark.
Everyone sees the same lie.
Into the black box.
where logic dies.
Nature versus machine. Profiting from the crash. The human cost.
Total market stagnation. The hand stops moving.